Hey, we can all agree that clean air is super important, right? And especially us, if you have animals like us, we have 2 dogs, a long-haired cat, and children. And it gets very dusty around here in the house. But something that came to my attention during the pandemic was the importance of clean air and making sure that we're not having any viruses floating around. And if you have kids like us, then it's kind of always flu season, right? Kids are always bringing stuff home. And we have central air here, and we live in California, so it gets hot, but we have central air, and we have the best of the best air filters. Even then, you would think that all the air would be clean, right? But evidently, with something like the Medify Air filter, we still find that there's a lot of dust and dander going around, even if you vacuum every day. So I just wanted to share my impression of the Medify Air. I saw one of these initially during the pandemic in the dentist office, and I thought to myself, well, dentists always go the extra mile, right? Dentists always, are the ones that send the birthday cards and are thoughtful, and they don't really cheap out. So when I saw this in the dentist office, I thought, hey, Medify Air, that must be a good quality. So I got the first one on Amazon during the pandemic, and man, these things are great, so much so that now we have one for every room. They use a genuine HEPA H13 air filter, and they filter about 428 square feet, I believe it says. So, they cover a lot of footage. We have one in every room. I love this thing. It's got a vent on the front and a vent on the back. And then it shoots, sucks the air into the sides and it shoots it out through the top. So you can tell, even in the short time since I changed it, it's collected a lot of yucky, dirty stuff, right? So that's the Medify Air filter. You can take the HEPA filter out of the bottom, super easy. All you do is twist the bottom and it pops right out. Look how dirty this thing is. It's disgusting. So I wanted to show you though, you can replace them. It suggests to replace them every couple of months, but something I generally like to do is take a hand vac and just clean it out like so, real quick and easy. Yeah, that's generally what I'll do, and you can clean it more if you want. And you just stick it back in, and you vacuum the sides out, and it locks right back in there. It has settings. It has 1, 2, 3 settings. It even has a sleep setting. So if you want to kick that on, you can do that, and I'll show you what it looks like in just a second turned on. One thing to note is when you're turning it back on, make sure the arrow lines up between the 2 dots. That took me a minute to figure out. And just slide it like that, and then it locks it back in place. There you go. Now that it's all vacuumed and cleaned, right? Super easy, super quick. When you're ready to turn it back on, you just hit the power button here. The lights up. Starts on setting 1, but you can go to setting 2. Still pretty quiet. Setting 3, still not too bad, right? Not too disruptive at all. If you're sleeping, there's even a sleep mode, so it doesn't disturb you unless you like that kind of white noise sound, which can be nice. Then it's super quiet. So I highly recommend this. You can also toggle the lights on and off if you want. But that's the Medify air filter. They come in bigger sizes, of course, but I think if you're gonna put one in each room, if you don't have a giant house, we live in a pretty modest house, then 1 per room is plenty good. Anyway, if you want clean air, this is an easy yes in my opinion. So enjoy and breathe easy. Take care. Bye-bye.